I can't stay here anymore. Everything is wrong.
Please don't leave. We can fix this.
I have to go. This isn't working.
No, don't leave like this.
I have to.
Please stay.
I'm sorry. I have to leave. I have to do this for myself.
Why did this happen?
It's the best thing for me, even if it hurts.
I wish we could go back.
Look, Ella! I built the biggest tower! Let's make it higher!
Okay, my turn.
It's wobbling!
It's so tall.
High five!
We're so good at this.
Oh no! We need to build it again!
Leo, let's play hide and seek.
Okay, Ella, you hide first.
Yay, I'm going to hide now. 1, 2, 3, I'm coming. He won't find me here. Where could she be? Shh! Don't make a sound.
Ella, where are you? Come on.
He's so close.
I know you're hiding here, Ella.
I hope he doesn't see me.
Aha! I found you.
You found me. Now it's my turn.
Ella, I'm really hungry. What should we do?
Let's ask Dad to make us some food. He's good at cooking.
Dad is always in the kitchen. He'll make something yummy.
What's that sound? Why is Mom crying?
Mom, what's wrong? Why are you sad?
I don't feel good, kids. Dad isn't here right now.
Where's Dad? We want to eat.
I don't know how to cook, kids. Your dad always made the food.
But we're hungry. What can we do?
I'm sorry, my loves. I will try to make something soon, okay? Oh no, there's hardly anything here. This is all we have: carrots, cucumber, and tomatoes.
Mom, my stomach is making noise. I'm really hungry.
I know, sweetie. Look, I have some fresh vegetables for us. Is that all we're going to eat? I wish there was more food, but we can try to make something with these.
Mom, we're so hungry. What can we eat with just this? Did you hear that? Yeah. Was that you? I'm so hungry. Me too.
We can make a vegetable salad. It's simple, but it'll be good for now.
Yay! Salad sounds good.
All right, you two, let's get this salad started. It's not much, but it will fill us up.
This is actually really good, Mom.
What did my husband buy 3 days ago?
Mom looks worried. I wonder why.
The fish is in the kitchen. We can cook it.
The fish! It is still there! Wow, the fish is moving in the bag. Look, the fish is alive. We are so lucky. Hi there, little fish. You're so pretty swimming. I love watching you. Yay! Yesterday we had only salad, but today we have fish. It is moved. This fish is special. Look, it is still moving, Leo. Wow! This fish is alive! I can't wait to eat it!
Be careful, kids. This is the last food we have.
I am so happy! We have fish today!
Yes, we are lucky. Today we can eat fish.
Okay, now we will cook the fish carefully.
Wow, the fish looks funny on the plate.
I must clean it well before cooking. Now, we need flour to cook the fish properly. Let's go to the supermarket to buy flour.
Yes! We go to the shop to get flour!
All right, kids, let's get some flour.
Yay! I want to help pick it!
This way, the flour is right here. This is the flour we need for the fish.
We're almost done, right, Mom?
Yes, just this last thing.
Yay! Then we can go home.
That'll be $1.49, please.
Yay, we bought the flour!
Now the flour is ready for the fish. This garlic will make the fish taste good. Now the fish is ready to fry. The oil is hot now. We can put the fish in. Time to cook! Be careful! The fish is cooking! Wow, look at that!
It's bubbling so much.
It is! Let's give it a stir.
Yeah!
Come on, let's watch TV while the fish cooks.
Look at the screen! I forget the fish! The fish!
Oh, the fish! We did forget! This is way more fun!
Oh no! What is that smell? Oh no! The fish is burned! I am sorry, kids!
Oh no, it's all burnt. Yeah, I was really looking forward to it.
Me too.
Oh well. I want Dad. I am so sad.
Oh no! What can I do now to help them?
If you want to know what happened after this, subscribe, like, comment, share, and wait for the rest of our story.